then you steal it. You
I
lied
look
about
crazy
it
today, but some
He didn't
drama.
lie about it. He owned
Some
up to
drama
it, but
just went on.
We didn't find out
Some
about
drama
it until 6
just went
months
on.
later.
So Deloria, tell the world what's going on here.
He'll get
I'm
a
not gonna-
6-month ass whooping.
I'm not gonna say his name, my friend's name, but my friend stole from my mama
And what his motherfucking ass steal?
some rings.
Rings. With sentimental value. Say hey to Manny.
I don't know.
Hold on. So basically, her friend that, you know, we all know him. You know, I was close to him at one point in time. He done been to where we live, where we reside at, and he stole her mama ring, sentimental value. And basically, what should we do? What you think, Manny? What?
Need his ass whooped 6 months worth of it. 6 months there, 6 months back.
So, Deloria, I mean, how you feeling?
I feel like at first when I first fell, I'm like, man, it's some bullshit. I'm not gonna get in the middle of. But then I thought about it. I'm like, why does he keep doing this bullshit? Like, why are you being a shitty person? Like, the first one to say ain't nobody there for you, but shit, you push motherfuckers away. What the fuck?
Yeah, and you burning all your bridges.
Burn them all to like the sand. Like, there ain't even no wood no more. It's like sand, it's like dust.
No foundation.
Well, no foundation.
House not standing.
Niggas
It
burn.
ain't standing.
Ain't standing.
You can't go past go no more.
You can't go.
buy no house. You
Damn.
still rings, especially from a woman.
Yeah.
That's like killing yourself.
That's a violation, ain't it?
That's a violation.
That's a
That's
violation.
6 months
And then you
worth
pawn
violation.
the shit around the corner.
Done it.
Why would you pawn it around the corner from my house?
Then you know they keep receipts.
Drama.
They gotta, you know what I'm saying?
Right, and you know at the pawn shop you gotta put your information down, motherfucker. Stupid. At least take the shit far.
Exactly. You live on the west side. Why
I
couldn't
just
you
want to
take
know how
my
much
hair
you
look
get
bad.
for it. What, $100?
200 or something? I don't know, but
Rings probably cost like $2,000 because they only give you 10% of what it's worth.
Ooh.
So
So basically, Deloria is distraught. She don't know what to do. She wanna
set something on fire.
She want to set something on fire. I'm stressed out because
Get a
my sister
fucking
cussed me
dragon.
out. Right.
damn, everybody getting cussed out. Well, I got cussed out.
You got cussed out?
Well, my grandma cussed me out on her birthday, so
Your grandma cussed you out on your birthday.
Why
it was
she?
drunk. It was a drunk cuss out, so that really don't count.
Wait, it was a what?
A drunk cuss out. You know, that really don't count though.
That
you
don't.
know?
When you drunk and you get cussed
Yes,
out, that
it
don't
don't
count. You drunk.
I need a haircut. I'm looking rough.
I look rough too. Okay,
I
so
look really rough.
we just chilling. This the drama that's going on. We all he getting drunk, cussed out. I'm getting sober, cussed out. Somebody stealing her mama shit. I look
Like my
a
mama
mess.
is motherfucking sick. Like, why you stealing from sick people? What the fuck is wrong with these people in America?
No respect.
He
No
going to
respect.
What the fuck?
He going to hell.
Damn, hold on. Don't
He
say
said
that
she
shit.
not able to defend for us, or he going to hell.
He going there.
God, when
I mean, she could fight. She could fight.
Down.
She could fight. She could probably give him a 1-2-1.
Stupid.
but-
You said when
God-
it come Judgment Day.
God gonna say down.
Well, okay, everybody, that's it. Say bye, Manny.
Adios.
All right, say bye.
Keep your circle tight. Trust no one.
Peace up. A-Town down.